Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying core prerequisites so you can build safely and quickly. Make sure your site runs on HTTPS and allows the chatbot domain via cores. This prevents blocked requests. Next, pick an NLP or LLM provider and secure an API key and plan that matches expected traffic. Once done, gather and format your knowledge. A fax CSV, intent labels, and 1 to 3 sample dialogues. These first steps get you from idea to a working integration in minutes. You now connect the pieces so the bot can understand and respond. Start by embedding a lightweight JS widget that mounts on a target element and includes area labels for accessibility. Then, build a server-side middleware to proxy requests, keep your API key secret, apply rate limiting, and cache frequent answers. Once done, implement session ID and short-term memory so context persists across messages, and use prompt templates to steer responses reliably and reduce hallucinations. You finish by launching carefully and staying observant. Roll out a canary release to a subset of users, monitor latency, error rates, and how often users hit the fallback answer. Once done, collect transcripts, label failure cases, and either retrain your model or refine prompts and intents before the next release. Make sure to automate alerts for spikes. If things go wrong, check API error codes, token limits, malformed prompts, and cores or SSL misconfigurations as your first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.